it's the best thing to do. We can, like, anything we do here, like giving you advice will be based on opinions, not facts. But also, people that say, like, if you have a baby, you like the period pain is going to disappear. Those are just myths. There are many myths like that are surrounded by periods. And if you look at these myths too, they're very problematic because they have the belief that as a woman, when you give birth, your opening is wide, so blood flow will just come out easily. That is the reason behind it. That's why they said it, because there's this myth that as a woman, whenever you have a baby, like forgetting that the vagina is elastic in nature.
Exactly. It's gonna come back.
So they tell you, like, okay, the reason why you're having these cramps is because, like, you don't have a child or you're a virgin or stuff like that. But it's bullshit.
It is.
I swear.
It is.
You can have 3 babies, 3 children, and still you still go through the worst cramps, But the other thing is, like, cramps, they can happen, But, like, if you have excessive cramps, like the one you talk about, like your sister, being unconscious and stuff, all of that, then those kind of cramps, you really need to see.
She ended up going to the hospital.
Yeah, because, like, in Gambia, most of us, if you look at it, most of us experience extreme cramps, I'm not even exaggerating, but it's because most of us also went through FGM. And we have, like, this opening because the clitoris that is supposed to protect us from all these infections, it's not there anymore, so we just open, so we are prone to infections.
Oh wow!
So these infections also might affect us. It might lead to cramps.
The thingy
when they cut off your
So you look at that. So this is why most of us, we have this extreme cramps when we are on our periods, not just on our periods, but during ovulation. Some people have ovulation cramps,
At PMS, premenstrual symptoms, the one that comes before
the period
comes.
And sometimes you have, like, even ovulation spotting. Like, you bleed for a day sometimes, and you think it's your period,
and it's not.
And, like, the pain is worse than
there's levels.
The period
there's
cramps.
levels to this
you
thing.
actually you feel like they're twisting your intestines, like,
and the butt cramps, the butt cramps.
Oh, that one is worse.
Yeah,
you don't understand. Like, I feel like I'm crippled. I start holding the chair. Excuse me, what's going on?
Bro, my system just be different when I'm on my period, bro.
I feel like I've been injected. Like,
no, bro, it's like somebody
the ovulation cramps that she's saying too. The cramp would be cramping. As in to the point that you can actually feel your belly.
You can feel it. Like, man, that's that period cramps.
Man, that come them siga ni whatever na sigi them.
You know what happened to me?
Really?
Like, I've never experienced ovulation cramps before. So I saw, like, the debate going on online on Nigerian Twitter, and I was like, okay, let me just research about this. Because for me, I'm so curious, and, like, periods is my thing. I'm curious about it.
Yeah.
So I've read it before, but I want to hear from people experience. Yeah. The following day, pam.
It came.
I went to work. And I was like, no, my period is not supposed to come. So, like, I went to the bathroom. I went and I saw, like, blood. I didn't know it was spotting. I thought it was my period. I went home. It was small blood still. And I'm a heavy bleeder. I'm a heavy bleeder. So the blood was not coming. And I was not praying. I was so confused. My body was so hot. Like, the heat from my body. I couldn't understand. Like, and I was angry. I was angry at everyone. Nobody did shit to me. And I was like, what's going on with me? And the following day, I had not seen blood again.
That's it.
That was just the blood I saw. So I was so confused. And then I was like, okay, let me see. I went to ChatGPT. I said, like, my period is supposed to come in 2 weeks. And I saw a blood. Why? And it started saying it's ovulation spotting. And I know very well, like, I was ovulating around that time. So I was like, what? God, like, I was, like, just asking. I was just making research. Why do you want me to use me as a practical test?
So you understand.
Exactly.
And I entered car to go to work. All of a sudden, I couldn't sit. I started holding my people in the car. We were like, what's going on?
Your bum was bombing.
I had never experienced that. It was like someone would just come and stab
you.
Bro.
And I would just run. I I was screaming. Like,
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's what it does.
and people were like, "You hell,
No, I
yeah,
hear you.
longer watching a deal." I'm like, did it, and
God.
it stopped, and then like
Yeah, it does that.
it went to an extent like many days my jamat, like my you who what,
And the funny, it's like it's the backbone.
and yeah, and
Yeah.
It's the
Right
backbone.
on the chatty bone.
Yeah. It the day when you come, then could they jump?
Bro.
okay, it went to
It's like
this extent. Like,
electrocuted.
I thought like I was having diarrhea. My self poop. My demonu ma poop. My ngiragala poop because like my anus was pain and you know. So I was just on the toilet like sit like munu ma deftara. So I was just crying at some point like lila lani, you know. And it
my
went like
gosh.
for like 4 days.
Oh my gosh.
I was like ovulation cramps is worse than that. Like and the hate.
It's worse.
That's crazy.
It was like I was having mini contraction.
Thank you. It's mini contraction. That's the right word.
Yeah.
So contractions they go like that.
Auntie.
I am not
No,
ready.
don't worry. We'll come to that maternal.
About menstrual pain.
If contraction touch you now,
Yeah, no.
you go to say they
No,
they
we'll
unplug your back
definitely-
from your spine.
Don't worry,
Yeah.
we're going to talk about that one. But I wanted to also talk about the realities and also the hygiene basics, specifically like in relation to periods and stuff.
Sorry, I don't want to cut her, but before we move, you know, you mentioned something about girls that go through FGM are more prone to
Infections.
Like, can you elaborate on that more? Because me, I like to.
And we're speaking of FGM, we're gonna have an episode
I
on that.
heard like you guys will have an episode on FGM.
Yes.
For sure. We will.
But do you want me to still talk?
Yeah, we can talk about it for sure.
Yeah, because like the clitoris is like there at the opening. So if you cut that, is it really that support you or helps you to fight, you know, cover that thing, you know, blockage. So if the thing is removed and then as women we have this opening,
Yeah, it's like a.
the moment you're down there, like infections easily comes in and it's easily
It's almost
enter.
like
Now
cutting
that you're
off
talking and I'm picturing the private part,
Yeah.
Yes.
my private part.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
God actually put there that for something.
And
Why
it
y'all
has,
taking it out?
thank you, Henny. You
fact
put it
that
there
she
for a
said
specific
mine.
reason.
She don't even say the private. She said mine.
No, but coming to think of it now, Lika, you and me, and I look at me now, you know what I'm looking at and what I'm
I
seeing.
don't know what you're looking at.
Okay, now the thing is there. Okay.
Okay.
They pull and cut.
And there's nothing there, right?
That's wickedness.
It's empty. Now that you say
No,
that,
you know,
now that you say
when you
like
say it
that,
like that, you know what that makes me think of? Like, for example,
It's actually there
like,
for a
let's say
reason.
you cut off like your
eyelids.
eyelashes. For example, and it's supposed to
Not your
protect
lashes, so
you.
your
The
lids.
eyelids, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, think of your eyelids. It's like, no, you want me to do like this. So now when
just
you
cut it
when you
out.
have
It
was
dogs,
to protect
Sorry,
you
you
from
can't
the dust
protect
and all of
yourself.
now
that.
that you say,
I'm not going to FGM. Why Mary and ngen over sore man. Come here over wicked man. Yen I marry wicked man.
Nigga saga.
So nekute pull neex bisa why affaire si mung fa pull dara.
God made it for that. There's how many thousands of nerve endings. Don't worry. We will have an episode on that. So so I wanted to ask like what you guys experience. Well, I'm gonna go with first with mine, but like you guys' experience like physical and emotional. So I obviously touched on it a little bit with the cramps and stuff. But for me, I have a lot fatigue. Bro, during bro, it's like I don't have I'm not, bro, I cannot
PMS.
I
Yeah, you were
don't
talking
have
about
rest. Yeah. I'm always tired. The
wake up
cramps,
tired.
the mood swings be swinging. And then like you feel like you're by yourself, like damn, it's just me that's experiencing. Yeah, I'm alone. Like I hate the work.
I don't know if I am allowed to say what it does to me.
No.
Yeah.
The thing is, you might have something more than just PMS, but we're gonna touch on that. Don't even worry, sir. PMDD, for sure. No, for sure. Trust me. Trust me.
From the start to the finish, is it just me?
No, it's not just you.
Thinking of do.
No, it's not just you. It's not just you.
She will not answer me.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna start with Tima. What are your physical and then the emotional side effects when you're on your period, or even pre?
Okay. Last week I think we shot an episode. Did you see me active?
Yeah, you were not active. You were chilling.
you said it. Oh.
Yeah, she was
So it
chilling.
was like it was part of my premenstrual symptoms. Usually my skin breaks out. I have like constant headache. And I have tender breasts and I have acne on my face.
Damn.
So
Yeah.
during this period,
You suffer.
I don't just suffer. I get irritated easily. Like I get angry at the slightest stuff. I'll come to the office. The manager usually see how I sit. I'll put one leg on this one, the other one here, and I'll sit and lay back.
Yeah.
That is how comfortable I can sit. So about during my period, I have like stomachache, back pain,
Oh yeah.
That one more.
heavy feet.
Oh my
Sometimes
God.
it gets swollen,
Yeah.
but not all the time.
Yeah.
And I'll be having stupid cravings.
I feel like
I
you
do that.
sound like you're pregnant.
Yes.
And I
cravings,
hate
Mom.
the fact it
Stupid cravings.
Period,
overlaps.
guys, like period cravings has had me standing in front of the fridge with a pickle in ice cream and chewing on it.
Pickling ice cream is
I'd
crazy.
be craving weird shit.
Yeah.
Maybe like that. Maybe like that.
I'm just trying to.
The last period I had, I was looking for toll. You understand? I had the toll in the night. I have kanimunku. I didn't want to use kanimunku. You know what I went and opened? You see those Nando's sachet pepper sauce? Because my mom brought some when she came. Is that I took and I squeezed lime on top of the toll. On top of the, I add sour to the sour. And this, I'm telling you, this was like at 12 o'clock at night or something. I was there.
That was a period cravings. That was witchcraft.
Exactly. Because tell me why you're eating that at 1, 2 a.m. when you should be sleeping and drinking water.
The things that my period does to me, or I can
That's
cook.
crazy.
I will cook
That's crazy.
something. Everybody in the house will tell me they're not eating that, but me,
I will eat it.
I'm going to eat it because
That's
I
pleasure.
purposely cooked it because my mind told me if you take sugar and put bouillon and put
Whatever you
you find in the cupboard
So,
and add lime.
The saddest part
what it
about
does.
my periods is that I don't take medications.
Yeah, I don't do that. I don't.
You can live in the same house.
I don't believe in
Why?
taking meds.
No,
I don't believe in taking
Yeah.
meds.
You see
It doesn't make
me?
sense.
God, God's
You see
strongest
me?
soldiers.
The reason why I don't take medications is because I've tried like severally.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work with
I
my
feel like it doesn't make sense.
No, anytime I do, okay, I see my period for 7 days.
Same girl.
Yeah.
Same.
Anytime I take medications,
Well,
it stops on that day. It doesn't come
What?
till the next month.
that's the
Okay,
female
what about you,
autonomy.
Nika? What was your physical
about
and
you?
emotional side
Do I
effects?
really have emotional no?
No, you were saying, please, before you go there, you were saying like you don't take medication.
No, I don't.
Yeah,
I don't.
I
take
don't
medication.
too.
I
Do you
feel like
cramp?
yeah, I do cramp, but I
Okay.
feel like. No, I just
like-
feel like I can manage my cramping.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
mine, I have a weird reason.
Yes,
for it.
Mine is not manageable, but on several occasions
No, you're
I've tried
strong.
and I went to the hospital twice.
I feel like if I take
And I was
I'm
asked
a
to
pussy.
stop taking medications.
Because it's not
Because
safe.
it
If
gets
it's
to a
stopping
point that you get so addicted to it that you cannot function
Malola
without
bang.
medications.
First of all, first of all, you're not pussy for taking no painkillers, girl.
No, but like over the counter, let me tell you something. Over the counter medication, like just on your period, maybe once, because the period comes is worse at day 1 and day 2. You know,
Can I tell
maybe
you
day 3
something?
sometimes. Day 4, it's bad maybe, but you can actually work with it.
Even
Like,
2 days to my period, if I drink medications,
It will not come.
no, for you,
I would
think
say
also.
I'll only see my period once,
once and that's it.
and that's it.
Maybe you should go to the hospital
I've
and
done that.
complain about.
Me,
done
my
that.
But also,
symptoms for period.
me.
No.
Me,
I don't think.
if I know like my period is coming, lately what I've been doing, since last year, what I've been doing, day 2 to my period, I'll drink Profen.
Okay.
Yes,
Pretty bad.
I'll stop. Yes, I'll
It's
stop
gonna be
taking.
me.
I'll stop taking coffee or tea or drinks with gas to avoid bloating and all of that.
Yeah.
And ever since I've been doing that, okay, my period. I've been experiencing cramps, but it has been calm. Like the death.
Honestly, man,
They're tender.
no offense. I don't do that. So,
But I know some people,
You
even
are
with
strong,
garapsa,
oh.
because
You are
masaya
strong.
ne dama de experience lu. Suma nane garapsa. Ma period that they meet, come that they meet it. But do them that they fake or come
That's
like.
crazy.
Dama had a period we know, ma doga nan garap para come I don't care, man don't like a lumane like cucumber and stuff like that. Because I'm not yena for some like a right. If they tap blood clotting because of they're difficult.
yeah.
You understand?
That's crazy.
If they come like so you get a period, you're bloating and all of that. It's usually very difficult.
So I drink but I'm gas before period.
Hey, yeah.